Hello again. So in this short video clip I will just explain independent learning materials and activities that you should complete at home. So since we are studying just 1 hour, you need to do more work at home, and that's called independent learning. So you will have some exercises that you should complete at home. I'm going to explain those exercises for you, and then you should, as I mentioned before, you should do them at home. If you have any questions, of course, you can ask your teachers. The following day, you can ask your teachers about any of these exercises if you don't understand them. So the first exercise is about this document that we studied together, that you will study together with your teacher in the morning from 9 to 10. So this document, that is this PPT document, these slides. So what you should do is you should read them again, read these slides again, and then answer these 3 questions. So just read again the lesson, the slides, the PPT presentation that your teacher explained for you, and then you should answer the questions. So the first question is, what are the 3 PPE items that we use for eye protection? So what do we use? Basically, it is what do we use to protect our eyes? What are the 3 equipment that we use to protect our eyes? Number 2 is, how many reasons are there for wearing eye protections? So why should we protect our eyes? And you should give 3 reasons why. And then number 3, the last question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. So we have sentences which I will show you, and for each sentence you should decide whether it's true or false. So the first one is, both safety glasses and goggles protect the eyes against hazards. So is it true or false? Number 2, eye protection equipment does not protect the eyes against dangerous vapors. Is this true or false? And then the next one is, eye protection helps workers see clearly in bright sunlight. There's a mistake there, sorry, a typing error. It should be eye protection, not protections. Eye protection helps workers see clearly in bright sunlight. And then the last statement is, only goggles provide welding protection. Is this true or false? Or do we have something else apart from goggles, something else that also provides welding protection? Let's move on to the second question. So that's the first question. The second one is a video. So you should watch the video. The video, you will find it on Google Classrooms. And the title of the video is Video 1, Lesson 2, April 8. So that's the title of the video. You should watch the video. You can watch it 2 or 3 times if you need. And then you should answer these questions. The video is, again, it's an oral presentation of the lesson. So this tests your listening skills. So the first question is, why must workers wear safety glasses or goggles? Why they have to wear, and why should they wear safety glasses or goggles? What's the reason? For what purpose? For what objective? And then name 2 specific reasons for wearing eye protection. So what you should do is, we want you to give us 2 reasons, and specific reasons, not very general reasons. So specific reasons why you should wear eye protection. And then name 4 types of injuries that may affect the eyes. So injuries, how can your eyes get hurt if you are not wearing, of course, eye protection? How? And by what substances, by what materials? So as I said before, all the information is there in the video. What sort of protection do goggles, So what sort of protection do goggles or face shields provide. So it's specific type or sort of protection. You should tell what sort of protection. Okay, so these are the questions for the second exercise about video 1. Okay, and the title of the video, again, you'll find the title with the video. It's video 1, lesson 2. So let's move to the last exercise here. The last exercise is about another video, and that video is, the title of that video is eye protection. Eye protection. So we'll find the video, and under it we'll find its title, like its name. The name of the video is eye protection. So what you should do again is watch the video. You can watch it 2, 3, or 4 times, as many times as you need actually, and then you should answer these questions here, the following questions. So what are the 3 important steps to eye safety? The video, the man who presents the information says that there are 3 important steps. So I want you to tell me what are those steps, step 1, step 2, and step 3. They are very clear. And the next question is, name 3 hazards that may cause eye injuries. So 3 hazards that can cause eye injury. And then, what provides the most common protection to eye hazards? And then the next question is, what provides means what gives, what offers the most common protection, the protection that is most frequent, that's the meaning of most common, that we find more than any other protection, more than any other one. That's the meaning of most common protection. What is the function of a face shield? So what is its particular job? What does it do exactly, that face shield? And then the last question is, how can you clean eye protection equipment? Of course, when you use them, they might get dirty. So how can you clean? How can you clean, for example, sunglasses? Sorry, not sunglasses. I mean safety glasses or goggles, or even a face shield. How can you clean them? So you have particular way of cleaning them. It's not like cleaning you anything else, like for example clothes or something like that. No, it's specific. So all the information again is in the video, so you should watch the video. Eye protection, you can watch it, as I said before, 2 or 3 times, even more than that if you need to. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson today. Thank you for attending class, and thank you for going through the whole lesson, and I'll see you later with another lesson. Take care.